So as men, we really like our things, our little stuff. I like this pocket knife, this wallet, this axe, this hat. I like this Topo Chico. And today I want to share why a journal should be on any man's list of stuff. And let me be clear, I'm not talking about a dainty diary. I'm talking about a blank book that will be used as a tool in your life. Let me know in the comments if you're already using a journal or if you've been thinking about possibly starting one. I heard Myron Golden on one of his videos say, learn what successful people do and do that. Learn what poor people do and don't do that. And of course, I can't say it as good as Myron can, but the point is that successful men keep a journal. So let's look at 5 different reasons why keeping a journal is a good idea. Number 1, solve a problem. As men, we love to solve problems, so what kind of problems could a journal solve for us? Well, what about goals? How to achieve a goal? We can break those goals or challenges that we make to ourselves into manageable steps and explore different solutions on paper. It also enhances creativity and forces you to think outside the box a little bit. The second one is stress management. I grew up in a ranching and farming community. And of course, there were plenty of old men that would be quick to tell you, don't show your feelings, don't talk about your feelings, suppress your feelings. And I'm here to tell you, don't do that. Don't suppress your feelings, but find a creative outlet to avoid unhealthy habits that keeping feelings in may cause. And these blank pages do provide a healthy outlet for stress, anxiety, and overthinking, which I feel like I'm probably the king of. But honestly, it helps you process emotions better by getting them out onto the paper. It does improve mental health, and we could all use a little help with our brains, let's face it. Number 3 is improved decision making. How would you like to have more clarity on complex situations? A place to organize your thoughts. We face difficult decisions in our personal and professional lives. This allows for better analysis and thoughtful decision making. Number 4, and probably my favorite, is personal growth or personal development. This allows a guy to do some self-reflection and to track progress over time. What I've noticed in my own writing in a journal is that you begin to see patterns within your own life. So it's almost like you're becoming a student of yourself. And by tracking your development and your growth, it gives a higher sense of purpose and fulfillment. And don't trust that you'll always remember everything. Write it down and keep a record of it. Finally, number 5 is to stay organized and consistent. Your brain makes poop, and what do you do with all that brain poop? The journal provides a go-to for ideas, thoughts, concepts, brainstorms, memories, mind maps, and more. Keeping a journal notebook will help you stay organized and consistent in life. It provides a satisfying solution that keeps all your brain poop in one place. There are many great reasons for a man to keep a journal. These are just a few. The important thing is just to get one and get started with it. Notebooks never run out of battery or crash or lose data. Writing on paper is reliable and requires no technology, making it a dependable way to capture your thoughts. For many, writing on paper even evokes a sense of nostalgia or aesthetic pleasure. The choice of paper, the design of the notebook, and the quality of the pen can all contribute to a more enjoyable and personalized experience. If you're a man and you're ready to start your own journal, I've added some links down below for some nice manly journals to help you get started. And remember, make a change or tomorrow will look like today. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube seems to think that you'll like this one next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.